The multifunction sterilizer has multiple purposes. The first is to kill harmful bacteria effectively. Firstly, secure the bottle chamber onto the heating base. Before placing any products inside, pour 70 ml of water into the bottle chamber. Always ensure that prior to sterilizing the bottles and accessories, they should be washed and rinsed thoroughly. Invert the bottles and place them onto the bottle tray. Lower it into the bottle chamber using a tray holder. To sterilize baby accessories, place them on the accessory tray and into the bottle chamber. Remember to close the lid well. Connect the plug and press the on button until the LED display screen appears. Then press the sterilization button. Once the LED display screen shows the sterilization icon and a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, the sterilization will start. When all the water has evaporated at around 9 minutes, there will be a sound of 5 beeps. The sterilizer will automatically turn off. Do not open the lid immediately. Wait for at least 3 minutes to ensure that the sterilization cycle is complete. It will be kept sterile for 24 hours without opening the lid. The second use is for bottle warming. To begin, place a steamer bracket over the heating plate. Pour 300 ml of water onto it. Place the bowl mitt cover over the heating base, and the bottle will fit perfectly on top of the steamer bracket. Connect the plug and press the on button until the LED display screen appears. Press the bottle warming button. The LED display screen will display the bottle warming icon and the default temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. Adjust the temperature easily with the temperature setting button. Simply press the increase or decrease buttons to set your preferred temperature. You can also adjust the warming time using the timer setting button. Press the increase or decrease buttons to set your preferred hour and minute setting. The third and final use is a food warmer. Firstly, pour 150 ml of water onto the heating base. Place your food on the steamer bowl and lay it on top of the heating base. Place the bowl mitt cover and the top lid over the opening. Connect the plug and press the on button until the LED screen appears. Then press the food steaming and warming button. The LED screen will display the food steaming or warming icon and the default temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. You can adjust the temperature easily with the temperature setting button. Simply press the increase or decrease buttons to set your preferred temperature. You can also adjust the warming time using the timer setting button. Press the increase or decrease buttons to set your preferred hour and minute setting. The Multifunction Sterilizer by Pigeon.